I'm AKASH M S. I'm from Assam. I completed my graduation in Raju Institute of Technology in the stream of Civil Engineering. So I joined the JSpiders in the month of August, and this finally got placed in the company called Testentra with a CGP with a salary package of 3 LPA. And when I come to JSpider, they took the class on SQL and Java. After completion of subjects, they conducted mock interviews and test. Based on your mock ratings and test, I have got opportunity to perform in interviews. So before going to interview, they conducted grooming, which was helped me a lot to crack that interview and got placed. So I want to thank Akshay sir and Anupama ma'am who taught me Java and coding skills, and I want to thank HRs in JSpiders Hebbal Branch who helped me by providing this opportunity. And I suggest my friends and everyone who is searching for a job in IT sectors to join this Hebbal Branch, and they will get more opportunity to perform well. So finally, I thank this JSpiders Hebbal. That's it.